Good morning, everybody. Feeling a lot better today. I didn't do all the dishes yesterday, so now I gotta get them all done. Yeah, it's 12 degrees and I believe it was a 14-mile-an-hour wind. Surprise, right? You know what I'm gonna be surprised? When there's no wind. None. So glad I feel better today. I need to get to the grocery store for my last 2 English muffins. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. That's a weird sound.
Would you like these?
It was so expensive. I want to like throw up in my mouth. I mean, just those bags, some of this, and water. Yeah, so for those groceries, it was $172.30. That's a lot of money. I mean, it kind of looked like a lot, but I had to make all the bags super light. I got a new tea, some orange vitamin C. Wow, it's actually pretty good. Yeah. I was drinking the other one, it was like chamomile, honey, lemon. Yeah, I figured I'd switch it up. This was on sale. Try a new flavor. Yeah, it's pretty good. My little Vermont dog. I think he's so cute. I'm gonna go drink this and I will come back when there's something else good going on. For now, I'm just gonna sit down, watch some YouTube videos. That was some really good tea. And I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna heat up some soup for lunch. A lot of the carrots did disintegrate. But like the bigger ones, I don't know, can you see? The bigger ones kept their shape. I totally forgot to pick up oyster crackers for my soup. I'm very disappointed in myself. Just a little bit of soup tied me over till dinner. It's funny, I just went grocery shopping, obviously. You know that. But I can't think of what I want for dinner. It's 5:30 and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make some dinner. So I'm going to go eat my dinner, and I'll see you on the next one.